Okay, so welcome to the investing part of the website. By now you'll have gone through all the mining section, you'll have gone through all the trading section, and of course now you're on the investing section, the Bitcoin investing section. And of course by now you've probably opened your Zappo account. I've got several accounts. I've got CryptoPay, I've got Coinbase, I've got Zappo, but this is just my Zappo card. You've probably got that as well. So you went to Zappo, which is www.xapo.com, and that website is in English, Spanish and Portuguese, and just follow the prompts on there to register your account. And you can fund it with a bank transfer, you can fund it with a debit card, and once you've put some funds on there you can buy Bitcoin, and you can also purchase one of these Zappo debit cards, which means you can spend your digital currency anywhere in the world where Visa is accepted. So this is absolutely wonderful. And of course since I opened my account 3 years ago, the balance of my deposit has appreciated in value by over 1,000%. So if you want to be part of this digital currency revolution, and you want to have a currency which is appreciating rather than depreciating, you're in the right place at the right time. But I'm going to be doing another video talking more specifically about your Bitcoin wallet, and perhaps using CryptoPay or Zappo, and how to get one of these cards. That's another video I'll be talking about. But below this video you'll see there's a link to Yotta. What is Yotta? Well, it's a Hong Kong based financial investing company, been established for 5 years now, and you can fund it with Bitcoin, and for deposits of more than $300 you're going to receive an incredible 1.8% per day. The more the deposit, those returns on a daily basis can go all the way up to 3% per day. And if it sounds incredible and you don't believe it, just register an account and try it out, and you'll find that it's perfectly true. Obviously we're talking about investing, so it's very, very important for me to just point out that future values and present values are no way related. In other words, the present values that you see today before investing are no indicator of future values. Values in fact can go down, values can go up, and in fact sometimes values can disappear altogether. So before investing, always invest sensibly, and always read any disclaimer before investing, and that of course applies to Yotta. But of course, with all these different income streams we've been talking about, with mining, with trading, and with Yotta, for example, these are all automated income streams that are going to pay you on a daily basis, all in Bitcoin. And that's absolutely wonderful. But there are people who say that they would like to be a little bit more proactive. In fact, there are people who would like to know, how do UCTech actually trade on the cryptocurrency markets? And so I found a solution. We've now partnered with a very successful company from the USA called iMarkets Live, and if you click on the link below this video you're going to learn all about their range of products. But they've been established now for something like 5 years, and the CEO of that company has generated a personal fortune in the region of about $100 million trading on what we call the Forex market, or the foreign exchange market. For those of you who don't know what the foreign exchange market is, it's the world's largest market, and on a daily basis something like $5.3 trillion is traded. And with the aid of iMarkets Live, you're going to learn, with the aid of 30 different video tutorials, how to trade like a professional on the foreign exchange market. You'll also receive what we call trading signals straight through to your mobile, and all you have to do with these trading signals is copy the trade, paste it into your broker account, and wait for the profit. Of course, with all these trades, they won't all be profitable, but generally speaking, you will make a very, very handsome profit. And once you've learnt the art of trading on the foreign exchange market, you've really got a skill for life. And if I make a comparison, if you look at one of the wealthiest people in the world today, who was born in 1930, in fact, we're now 2017, so he's currently aged 87, and he's a master at the art of investing on the foreign exchange market. In fact, his net worth is $44 billion, and his name, for those people who might be guessing, is Mr. Warren Buffett. He started an investment company in 1965 called Berkshire Hathaway, and if you'd invested $1,000 in Berkshire Hathaway in 1965, by the year 2000, that's 35 years later, that $1,000 would have had a value of $5 million. So that was incredible. But the reason I'm quoting that story is you might be the next Warren Buffett. There's only one thing holding you back: lack of knowledge. And if you apply this knowledge, you can make an unlimited income in the financial markets. So what I would like you to do is obviously register your Yotta account, and also click on the link below this video and go right ahead and register your account with iMarkets Live. I'll tell you a little bit about the cost of iMarkets Live. It's a one-time payment of $235, and then it's $185 a month. And if you apply the principles of what you're going to learn with iMarkets Live, you can make 10 times more that on a monthly basis. In fact, much more than that on a monthly basis. And in fact, we're going to show you how, in fact, it doesn't cost you $185 a month. It actually costs you nothing at all. So go ahead, click on the Yotta link, register with Yotta, click below the video, register your account with iMarkets Live. I wish you all the best, and I look forward to seeing you on the next page to learn more about our community of GLOBIT and why we're expanding around the world and creating wealth for the average individual. Thanks, and have a great day.